Hello everyone, my name is Nasser. I graduated from higher education called university by biotechnology of computer science. So today our lessons mainly focus on emerging technology, chapter 2. So emerging technology is a very advanced technology emerged in this moment. This technology is very smart and important at this moment. Without any technique or pre-learning, no understanding about this concept. So, in this chapter 2, some concepts are this. The first one is at the end of this year, student will able to explain emerging technology. What does mean that emerging technology? Line 2 define artificial intelligence and state its branches. Some branches related with artificial intelligence, like machine learning, robotic, natural language processing, and expert system. Describe the common artificial intelligence applications. Anything have own applications, and some area build these artificial intelligences. Differentiation the concept of augmented reality and virtual reality. What does mean that augmented reality and virtual reality? Learn outcomes in these lessons. And again, describe data science and its applications. Okay, the first law, what is emerging technology? About the creations of new technology. Emerging technology is a new creations of technology and refer to what evolutions of existing technology. That is definition for what? Emerging technology. Emerging technology concepts include data science, artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and augmented reality, data science, cloud computing, fog computing, Internet of Things. All these things are examples of emerging technologies. Okay, the first types of emerging technology is artificial intelligence. Student, do you know about AI? This is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a machine that programmed by human being, think like humans, act like humans, and behave like humans. So, artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science. Artificial intelligence is the design of system mimic human intelligences. Artificial intelligence or AI systems are designed to have a features as what reasoning and generalizations. Using two things after that to build these artificial intelligence. This is a technique. This is a method. How can artificial intelligence is designed? An examples of reasoning. My friend is either at home or in her place works. My friend is not her place works. Therefore, my friend is at home. Thus, some conclusions are depending on some what concepts. So reasoning is work like this. About generalizations. Generalizations applying past experience to current problems of what? Similar natures. The problem is different from the previous. That is no war. Must be current and the past problems must be the same. For example, I know how to change a wall on my biscuits, and therefore I can use this knowledge to change a wall on my friend biscuits. So the nature is very similar. The problem nature is similar. So generalizations work like this. Even through the histories of artificial intelligence go back to what? 1940s. So this the name of artificial intelligence is coined around in these years. Artificial intelligence algorithms used a wide range of area of including business, medicines, and entertainment branches of artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence have what? Some common in the best branches of artificial intelligence. So machine learning. The first one is machine learning. The second one, robotic. Third one, natural language processing, expert systems. And again, machine learning. What does mean that machine learning means? Is a study of what? Computer algorithms. Machine learning is to focus on some algorithm to doing something. So this is about computers algorithm. And again, enable to computer to learn from data and improving itself. Machine learning enable to computer to learn from data and improving itself. Machine learning algorithm learn from what? Experience. And again, unlike conventional computer algorithm, conventional computer algorithm have own steps. So without external support, no work. So machine learning is different from this because of machine learning algorithm allow what? Computer to train on sample data impulses. Sample data input used to make what? Prediction that are used for decision making. For what? Machine learning. And again, some examples of machine learning: fraud detections, recommendation systems, email spam detectors, and speech recognitions. This is some examples of machine learning. And again, robotic. That is the second branch of machine learning. No, artificial intelligence. Robotic is study of what? Machines. Robotic have been what mainly replacing of human laborers. Some examples of robotic area: car manufacturing, handling radioactivity wastes, at home, assist the elder, monitors young child, robotic vacuum cleaner. These are some examples of robotic area. The third one is natural language processing. This is a branch of artificial intelligence. Student, please share, subscribe, and to increase my channels. So many technology are there only in this environment if you think deeply. So natural language processing, it is a branch of artificial intelligence. Natural language processing is a branch of artificial intelligence and the computer to understanding written and spoken human languages. This is definition for what? Natural language processing. Applications area of NLP or natural language processing: spam detection, machine translation, virtual assistant, sentiment analysis and text summarizations, and the fake news identification. This is some examples of natural language processing. Okay. Spam detections means email service provider like Yahoo analyzes text in email to check what if it is a spam. So that is a spam detection. And machine translations, translating a text from one language to another. Example: Google Translate. Virtual assistant, voice operating virtual assistants. Amazon Alexa and Apple Siri are used to what? Natural language processing. Sentiment analysis, analyzing user data on social media, which could negative, positive, or neutral. Fake news identification, identifying what? Whether or new a thresholds and choking reliability. The summarization summarize of large piece of documents, like academic article can what automatically done using natural language processing. This is about some image related to business spam detection, sentiment analysis, mention translation, fake news identification, virtual assistant, and text summarization. The types of artificial intelligence branch. The fourth one is expert system. Expert systems are a computer program that emulate human expert in the field of artificial intelligence. They are designed to solving a problem. Application area of expert system: medical diagnosis, petrol engineering, financial investing. Three components of expert system. Student. Expert systems have three components: user interface, knowledge base, and inference engines. What does mean that user interface? User interface to interacting with the expert system. It is accept query from the users and forwarding them into inference engines. User sees the recommendations of the system. This is the functions of user interface. Student, don't worry. Anything is very easy. The second one is knowledge base. Respiratory was knowledge of experts. This is definition given for the knowledge base. And again, knowledge base is organized in form of if events else your rules. So organized by these rules. All knowledge based things must be written if then else rules. The completeness, accuracy, precision, the knowledge. The knowledge must be completeness, accuracy, precision of the knowledge. Without that, the expert system is not work well. The reliability is reduced. Must be completeness, accuracy, and precision is very important. And the third one is inference engines. Inference engine is a branch of expert system, producing the answer by referring what knowledge base. The earliest example of expert system is machines. Machines emulate infections. What is experts? It is identify bacteria that kills infections and recommends antibiotics. Student, this is some organs of or some system part of what? Expert system. Users, inference engines, and knowledge bases. So, applications of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence have own applications or some area this artificial intelligence is applied. Online shopping, autonomous cars, social media, surveillance, agriculture, customer service, healthcare, banks, search engines, smart homes, and space exploration. So online shopping, artificial algorithm to dive what into and process massive user data. Artificial intelligence make whole what shopping experience efficient and enjoyable. Virtual shopping assistants and chatbot help improving user experience while shopping online. Examples for virtual reality, Alexa and Siri is used as what? Virtual assistants, product content management. The second one is autonomous cars. By collecting data from source GPS, radars, and camera, autonomous cars can function without help of human agents. Autonomous cars have a great potential for improving road safety. Autonomous cars can predict potential threats like car collisions ahead and behind and take decisions in real time. To use good data collection sensors. The third one is social media. The size of data available on social media makes it practically impossible to process data using human beings. Artificial intelligence become fundamental part of how social media networks operate today. Social media companies like Facebook applies artificial intelligence in various areas like advertising, delivery of personal content, visual recognitions, and thesis. Social media again Facebook currently working to advance artificial significantly in order to build its versions of what metaverse. Tutor algorithms is able to detect and analyze image when creating templates. Artificial intelligence also has the potential to making social media cyber. Security on social media can also address with artificial intelligence such deep fake detections and the behavior analysis. The fourth one is surveillance. Surveillance system benefits significant from artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence automatically detects suspicious behavior in real time. This can be implemented in places like supermarket, military, security stations. Surveillance Artificial-based video surveillance play a large role in keeping better standard in security and public safety. For example, CCTV camera is a best example for surveillance. Agriculture. Artificial intelligence have own roles in agriculture, predictive analytic, reducing error in farming process. Artificial intelligence algorithm can analyze chemical compositions of the soils. With help of artificial scientists can identify the best performer plant varieties. Applications of artificial intelligence in agriculture include detecting pests, monitoring the health of soils and crops, custom service, natural language processing chatbots are nowadays used to provide customer support. Chatbot is a system that simulates human conversations through text or voice commands. Health care, disease diagnosis, drug developments, and hospital care are some of examples or applications of artificial intelligence. Artificial offers in health care for complex activity like surgery. Number 8. Space explorations. Artificial intelligence to process data assist spaces exploration activities. Operations like space missions planning, data collections, and navigation are supported by artificial intelligence. NASA, for example, uses robots to work on the International Space Stations. Smart home. The artificial assist home security, household chores, alert offices, and agencies. Number 10. Banks. Artificial systems are used to trust the pattern in credit card transactions, detect frauds. Search engine. Search engine uses artificial intelligence such as NLP, natural language processing, to better understanding user search query. They also artificial ranking algorithms which determine what order responses are present to user to reply to their search query. Augmented reality. This is type of emerging technology. What does it mean that? Augmented reality. Augmented reality is a new technology that involves overlay of computers, graphics, and real worlds. Augmented reality is a combine the view of real environment with virtual content that generated by computer graphics. Augmented reality, a form of environment technology, gives an enhanced version of what really objects. Augmented reality, the hardwares of AR including processors, sensors, input device, and displays. Mobile devices have what all four components to run what AR applications. AR works by first capturing the pictures of the real objects through the cameras. Augmented reality devices such as tablets, smartphones, head-mounted displays. AR has three main blocks of system: infrastructure, track, car units, processing unit, and visuals. The first one is collecting data from real world to send collected data into processing unit. The second one about processing unit to mix virtual content with real content to send result into the visual unit. Visual unit display mixed words. Student. This is some examples of augmented reality. Augmented reality have own applications. Any things are work according to that applications. Without that applications, augmented reality is no work, must be used as, and again, augmented reality is work. And again, this is some examples of augmented reality. The second one's about virtual reality. Virtual reality is a computer simulated reality. That is not really. All things are 100 synthetics. It is refer a computer technology using reality headsets to generate realistic sound, image, and other senses, replicate real environments, and create imaginary worlds. That is imaginary, not really in virtual reality. Example is PlayStation. Is best example for virtual reality. VR device, HTC Vive, Oculus, Rift, and the Google Cardboard. These are some examples of virtual reality. What is the difference between VR and AR? Augmented reality works in real-world setting, but partially immersive. VR or virtual reality, VR operates on what? Completely virtual world. It is fully immersive, not partially, fully immersive. AR user can control their what? Presence in real world. VRs are under the what? Control of the system. That is real world that one is controlled by systems. AR can run what? Familiar reach devices such as smartphones, but VR used headset device. AR work environment where real world and virtual worlds. VR only simulates real or synthetic environments. Okay, some applications of VR and AR. Some applications of AR and VR: educations, healthcare, and entertainments. Okay, educations. To make learning attractive and funny, they allow students to travel in time and spaces and see historical events in very attractive manners. Students can see what different organ systems virtually. Learning will be made possible from anywhere to create collaboration between students. And again, some examples of augmented reality and virtual reality that's related with education. So look like this. Applications of VR and AR, educators, AR and VR applications implemented in the what medical industries. Physicians and medical students are trained and taught using AR and VR technology to learn life-saving operations like surgery. VR can use what? Distract patient from stressful experience. This is some examples of augmented reality and virtual reality that's related with health cars. Entertainment. Entertainment by adding AR data in art of art gallery and the museum, more attractive visitors. VR created completed new and immersive experience for what? Movie fans. The rising number of mobile gamer have also created demand for augmented reality games. Student. Some entertainment related augmented reality and virtual realities are there. Look like this. So, student. Are these lessons enjoyable or not? Please say something. What is data science? This is the last topic for grade 11. As a world, vast data can be generated from different sources. Data science is a world of tools, algorithms, and machine learning principles. Data science extracts hidden patterns. Data science is a disciplinary field area such as statistics, mathematics, and computer science. Data science, a professional who charged with responsibility of data science is known as data scientist. Data scientists use different type of algorithms to turn what data into useful insights. The concept of big data is strongly associated with data sciences. Big data refer to huge volume of data can now process using traditional method. For example, in 2020, Facebook generated 4 petabytes of data every day, the million of gigabytes, isn't it? So this is very huge. By human being or by traditional way, not what managed or controlled. Data science is processing big data by applying these three concepts: mathematical, statistical approach, and computer tools. A few examples areas that data science applied: weather prediction in agriculture sector, preventive medicine in healthcare, risk management in business. Data ionizations and data generalizations are some of ways suggested of data protection and privacy. Data ionization refers to removing personal identifier information from data. Data generalizations are about data into a broad category, age groups, and geographical areas. Student, all lessons in the folders. Any questions?